Hello, hello. Uh, Hello everyone, welcome today YouTube live session. I hope you are all doing well and are excited as I am for what have in store today. So let me introduce myself. My name is Shambhu Prasad Jaka and I am proud Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. As part of this global community, I am passionate about sharing knowledge, learning from others, and empowering fellow students and tech enthusiasts. Whether you just starting your cloud journey or looking to deepen your understanding of Azure, you will be in the right place. In today rapidly evolving digital landscape, cloud computing is becoming increasingly crucial, and Azure, Microsoft Cloud Platform, stands out as a key player. From startups to large enterprises, organizations worldwide rely on Azure, a wide variety of services to build, deploy, and manage applications efficiently. And the best part, Azure is not just for professionals. Students, developers, and aspiring tech enthusiasts can all leverage its power to build the next big thing. So, let me give an overview of this session. Today, we are going to dive into Azure core services and how they can transform the way you approach technology. Here, what I will be covering: introduction to Azure, a quick overview of what and why it is so essential in today's tech world. Core Azure services. I explore key services like Azure Virtual Machines, Azure App Services, and Azure Storage. Hands-on demonstration. I walk you through setting up a basic Azure environment and deploying a simple application. And a Q&A session, I answer your burning questions and help clarify any doubts you have about Zero. Why should you listen to this session? So why would you tune in? Azure is not just about hosting applications, it is about enabling innovation. Whether you are interested in AI, machine learning, big data, or just building robust scalable applications, Azure provides the tools and services you need to make it happen. This session is a fantastic opportunity to get a head start on technology, learn practical skills, and even prepare for certifications that could boost your career prospects. So coming to the action, before you jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can don't miss any further sessions. And don't forget to share this stream with your friends and peers who might be interested in learning more about Zero. So I would like to know where you all are joined from. Drop a comment with your location and your level of experience with Azure, whether you're a complete beginner or already have some experience. This session is for everyone. Also, if you have any question during the live, feel free to ask them in the chat. I do my best to answer them now. Alright, without further, let's dive into the world of Azure and see how it can empower you to build and succeed in the cloud. And here comes the first corporate introduction to Microsoft Azure. Welcome to the world of Microsoft Azure, powerful and versatile cloud computing platform that is revolutionizing how organizations operate, innovate, and scale in digital landscape. So, what is Azure? Azure is Microsoft cloud platform that offers a wide range of cloud services including computer power, storage operations, networking capabilities, databases, AI tools, and much more. These services are hosted in Microsoft global network of data centers and can be used to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through a global network. So next question arises, why Azure? Azure stand out due to its comprehensive set of services that cater to every need, from small startups to large enterprises. It supports various programming languages, frameworks, and operating systems, making it a highly flexible and scalable platform. Whether you are developing a mobile app, managing a massive database, or running complex machine learning models, Azure has the tools you need. So let's discuss some key benefits of Azure. Uh, And first is the global reach. Azure is available in over 60 regions worldwide, providing a truly global infrastructure for your applications. Scalability. Azure allows you to scale your applications up or down based on demand, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. And the third is security. Azure is built with security in mind, offering advanced security features and compliance certifications to protect your data and applications. Integration with Microsoft products. Azure seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft services like Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Active Directory, enhancing productivity and collaboration. And the fifth is hybrid capabilities. Azure offers hybrid solutions that allow you to extend your on-premise data center to the cloud, providing flexibility and control over your IT environment. And the sixth is innovation. With Azure AI, machine learning, IoT, and analytics services, you can drive innovation and gain deeper insights from your data. Here is some Azure services overview. Compute. Azure provides virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing to run your applications efficiently. And the next is storage. Azure offers scalable and secure cloud storage options for your data, including blob storage, file storage, and more. And the third is networking. With Azure's virtual networks, load balancers, and VPNs, you can build and manage your network infrastructure in the cloud. And the fourth is databases. Azure supports various database solutions, including SQL database, Cosmos DB, and MySQL for managing structured and unstructured data. And the fifth is AI and machine learning. Azure provides tools like Azure Machine Learning, Cognitive Services, and Bot Service to create intelligent applications. And the sixth is DevOps. Azure DevOps enables continuous integration and continuous delivery, helping teams collaborate and deliver software faster. In a world where digital transformation is key to staying competitive, Microsoft Azure offers the tools and services to help organizations innovate, scale, and succeed. Whether you are a developer, an IT professional, or a business leader, Azure has something to offer you. Embrace the power of Azure and unlock new possibilities for your business and career. So coming to our next slide, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is a transformative technology model that allow users to access and manage computing resources such as service, storage, database, networking, software, and moreover the internet rather than relying on local hardware and infrastructure. These resources are hosted in data centers operated by cloud server providers like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. Here are some key characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. Users can provision computing resources as needed without requiring human intervention from the service provider. This means you can quickly set up servers, database, and other resources with just a few clicks or commands. And the next is broad network access. Cloud services are accessible over the internet from anywhere on any device with a network connection. This that makes it possible to work from virtually anywhere using devices such as laptops, smartphones, or tablets. And the third is resource pooling. Cloud providers use a multi-tenant model to pool computing resources, which are dynamically allocated and reallocated according to user demand. This allows for efficient resource utilization and cost savings. Fourth is rapid elasticity. Cloud resources can easily quickly scaled up or down based on user demand. This elasticity allows business to handle varying level of traffic and workload without over investing in infrastructure. And the fifth is measure service. Cloud computing resources are metered and users pay only for what they use. The pay as you go model provides cost efficiency, allowing organizations to manage their IT products, IT budgets efficiently. Types of cloud computing. Here are types. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resource over the internet. Users can rent virtual machines, storage, and networks, giving them control over the operating system and applications. Example: Microsoft Azure virtual machines. And the second is platform as a service, provides a platform that allows users to develop, run, and manage application without dealing with underlying infrastructure. Example of Azure are Azure App Services, where developers can build and deploy web apps without worrying about managing servers. And the third is software as a server, delivers software applications over the net which are managed by the service provider. Users can access this application via web browser without installing them locally. Example: Microsoft 365, where users everyone access tools like Word, Excel, and Outline online. So here are some deployment models of cloud computing. Public cloud. Services are delivered over the public internet and shared across multiple users tenants. Here example like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. Private cloud. Cloud infrastructure is used exclusively by single organization. It can be hosted on premises or by a third party provider. Example: a private cloud solution managed by an organization's IT department. And the third, hybrid cloud, combines public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. This provides greater flexibility and optimization of existing infrastructure. A company using Azure for scalable applications while keeping sensitive data on a private cloud. And the fourth is multi-cloud, involves using multiple cloud services from different providers. Organizations might use one cloud for IaaS and another for SaaS, optimizing performance and cost. Example: using AWS for storage and Azure for AI service. And I would like to discuss some of the benefits of cloud computing. That is, first is cost efficiency, reduces the need for capital expenses on hardware and software. You pay only for what you use. And the next is scalability, easily scale resources up or down based on demand without the need to invest in physical infrastructure. And second is flexibility, access cloud services from anywhere, enable remote work and collaboration. And the fourth is security, cloud providers invest heavily in security, offering advanced protections against data breaches and cyber threat. And the fifth is innovation, access to the latest technologies such as AI, machine learning, and big data analytics without the need for in-house expertise. So cloud computing is revolutionizing the way organizations operate, offering unprecedented flexibility, scalability, and access to cutting-edge technology. Whether you are a startup or a large enterprise, cloud computing provides the tools and infrastructure to innovate, grow, and succeed in a rapidly changing digital landscape. So next is, what is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a comprehensive cloud computing platform and a service created by Microsoft, offering a wide range of cloud services that include computing, analytics, storage, networking, and more. It provides the tools and resources needed for building, deploying, and managing applications and services through Microsoft global network of data centers. Azure is designed to help business and developers innovate faster, more efficiently, and with greater flexibility. Whether you are a startup, an enterprise, or an individual developer, Azure offers scalable and cost-effective solution for your computing needs. Here are some key features of Microsoft Azure. The first one is computing power. Azure provides scalable computing resources like virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing. This allows users to run applications and services with the flexibility to scale up or down based on demand. And the next is storage solution. Azure offers a variety of storage options, including blob storage for unstructured data, file storage for file shares, and disk storage for VMs. This storage solution is secure, scalable, and globally accessible. And the third is networking services. Azure networking capabilities include virtual networks, load balancers, and VPN gateways that enable secure and reliable connections with and across cloud environments. Azure also supports content delivery network to deliver high bandwidth content to user global. That means the users get the data without any latencies. And coming forth is database services. Azure provides a range of managed database services such as Azure SQL database, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure database for MySQL and PostgreSQL. These services offer high availability, scalability, and security for relational and non-relational data. And the fifth is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Azure offers AI and machine learning services, including Azure Machine Learning, Cognitive Services, and bot service, which enable developers to build intelligent applications that can see, hear, speak, and understand. Internet of Things. Azure IoT services connect, monitor, and manage billions of IoT assets. Azure IoT Hub, IoT Central, and Azure Sphere provide comprehensive solutions for IoT development, from device management to data analytics. And the seventh is DevOps. Azure DevOps provide uh, tools for continuous integration, delivery continuous delivery, and version control, helping teams collaborate more efficiently and deliver software faster. Azure Pipelines, Repos, and Boards are some of the core services under Azure DevOps. And it is security and compliance. Security is a top priority for Azure. The platform includes features like multi-factor authentication, encryption, and threat detection, as well as compliance with global and industry-specific regulation, making it a trusted platform for sensitive data and applications. And hybrid capabilities. Azure supports hybrid cloud scenarios, allowing business to integrate their on-premise environment with the cloud. Azure Arc extends Azure management with services to any infrastructure, whether on-premises, multi-cloud, or at the edge. And analytics and big data. Azure provides analytics and big data service like Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure HD Insight, and Azure Database, enabling user to process and analyze large volumes of data to gain actionable insight. Azure has a global reach. Azure operates in more than 60 regions worldwide, making it one of the largest cloud platforms in terms of geographic coverage. The global presence ensures high availability and redundancy, providing low latency access to services no matter where users are located. Azure integration with other Microsoft. Azure seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products such as Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Windows. This integration enables business to leverage existing investment in Microsoft technology, everything technology, and while expanding their capabilities in their world. Azure commitment to open source. Azure is committed to supporting a wide range of operating system, programming languages, frameworks, database, and making it a flexible platform for diverse development needs. Azure supports Linux, Java, Python, Node.js, and many other open source technology, fostering a vibrant development condition. So Microsoft is a powerful, flexible Azure is a powerful, flexible, and secure cloud platform that caters to the needs of business and developers across India. Whether you are building a simple web application or deploying a complex global infrastructure, Azure provides the tools and services you need to succeed in the cloud. Its extensive range of global reach and seamless integration with other Microsoft make it a leading choice for organizations to looking to innovate and scale in today's digital economy. And next is Azure Global Infrastructure. Microsoft Azure Global is one of its most powerful features, providing a robust, reliable, and scalable foundation for cloud computing across the globe. This infrastructure is designed to support a wide range of services while ensuring availability, lower latency, and comparison with local regulation. Here are key components of Azure Global Infrastructure. Azure regions. An Azure region is a specific geographic location where Microsoft has established data centers. Each region is made up of multiple data centers to provide redundancy and ensure availability. And it's a global coverage. Azure operates in over 60 regions worldwide, more than any other cloud provider. These regions are distributed across the America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia, making it easier for organizations to choose a region close to their users or business operations. Paired regions. Azure regions are typically paired with another region with the same geography, forming a region pair. This pairing ensures data residency, business continuity, and disaster recovery. For example, if a region experiences a failure, it is paired region can take over, minimizing downtime. And second is availability zone. Availability zones are physically separate location within Azure region. Each zone has its own independent power, cooling, and networking, making them resilient to failures in other zones. Hideout. By deploying services across multiple availability, organizers can achieve high availability for their application with minimal impact in the event of a failure in a single zone. And it also provides data redundancy. Azure services like virtual machines, Azure Kubernetes services, and managed databases can be configured to use availability zone, ensuring that data remains available even if one zone experiences issues. And the third is Azure Global Network. Azure Global Infrastructure is connected by one of the largest and fastest private networks in the world. This global backbone network connects Azure regions and data centers, enabling fast and secure data transfer across the globe. Low latency. The extensive reach of Azure Global Network ensures low latency connections, applications that require real-time data processing and delivery. Edge location. Azure has numerous edge locations globally where content delivery, caching, and other services provide close to users. This reduces latency and improves performance for end users by bringing data closer to them. And the fourth is data sovereignty and compliance, data residency. Azure Global Infra allows organizations to choose where their data is stored, helping them to compile with data residency requirements. And coming to the compliance certificate, Azure meets a wide range of international industry specific compliance standards such as ISO, HIPAA, and FedRAMP. This compliance framework is maintained across Azure Global Infrastructure, ensuring that organizations can trust Azure with sensitive data. And fifth is resiliency and disaster requirement. We have built-in resilience. Azure infrastructure is designed with redundancy at every level, from data centers to regions to networks. Ensures that service remain available even in the face of localized failures. Disaster recovery services. Azure provides services like Azure Site Recovery to help organizations replicate and fail over applications and data across regions, ensuring business continuity in case of major disruptions. And six is sustainability initiatives. Commitment to such. Microsoft is committed to making Azure a sustainable cloud platform. This includes a goal to carbon negative by 2030 and to have the 100% of data powered by renewable energy by 2025. Here are some benefits of Azure global infrastructure, that it gives global reach. Azure expansive infra allows organizations to reach users and customers anywhere in the world. And high availability. Azure use of regions, availability zones, and a resilient global network ensures that services remain available even in the event of localized failures or disasters. And third is compliance and security. With extensive compliance and certifications and data residency options, Azure helps organizations meet regulatory requirements while maintaining the highest levels of security. Fourth is scalability. Azure Global Infrastructure can scale to meet the needs of largest organizations, supporting everything from small applications to global deployments. The combination of low latency connections, edge locations, and a powerful global ensures that applications run smoothly and efficiently no matter where users are located. So Microsoft Global is a key differentiator in the cloud computing space. Its vast network of regions, availability, availability zones, and edge locations provides the foundation for building resilient, scalable, and high performance application with a focus on sustainability, security, and compliance. Azure Global Infrastructure supports the needs of businesses and developers around the world, allowing them to innovate and grow with confidence. So last, here are some core Azure concepts. Microsoft Azure is a comprehensive cloud platform that offers a wide range of services and features which can be overwhelming. If you are new to cloud computing, understanding the core concepts of Azure is essential to effectively leverage its capabilities for building, deploying, and managing applications and services. Below are some of the key concepts that form the foundation of Azure. Azure, Azure subscriptions. An Azure subscription is a logical container used to provision resource in Azure. It acts as an organization unit within Azure that groups together resources like virtual machines, database, and storage accounts. Subscriptions are tied to billing, meaning the cost of these resources you are aggregated and built within your subscription. Organizations can have multiple subscriptions to separate resources for different projects, departments, or environments. So let me discuss some benefits of multiple subscriptions. Cost management. Each subscription has its own billing account, allowing you to track and manage costs for different projects or teams. And resource limits. Subscriptions have certain resource limits. Multiple subscription can help you scale beyond these limits. And coming to access control. Subscriptions provide a boundary for managing access to resources. You can assign different roles and permission with each subscription. So sorry. Next is resource groups. So let me explain what is a resource group. A resource group is a container that holds related resources for an Azure solution. All resources such as VM, storage accounts, and database within a resource group share the same lifecycle, meaning they can be deployed, managed, and deleted together. And I would like to discuss some organization benefits. Simplified management. By grouping related resources together, you can easily manage, monitor, and deploy resources as a single entity. And the second is access control. You can apply role based access control at the resource group level, ensuring that only authorized users can manage the resources within the group. Cost tracking. Resource group help in tracking costs and users by grouping resources according to projects, environments, or departments. And third is Azure Resource Manager. What is Azure Resource Manager? Azure Resource Manager is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a consistent management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resources within your Azure account. Here are some key features. Declarative templates. ARM allows you to deploy resources using JS1 based templates known as ARM templates. These templates define the desired state of your infrastructure and can be reused to deploy identical environments. And the next is role based access control. ARM integrates with Azure RBS, allowing to define fine grained access control over resources. So third is tagging. ARM supports tagging, which allows you to attach metadata to resources for better organization most management. And the fourth is Azure regions and availability zone. So I already have explained about Azure region and availability zones. We have discussed for. So fifth one is Azure services. Compute service. Azure virtual VMs are scalable on-demand computing resources that can run Windows or Linux operating system. They provide the flexibility to install and manage any software required for your application. Azure App Service, a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps and APIs. It supports multiple languages and frameworks including .NET, Java, Node.js, and Python. So here are some storage services. Azure Blob Storage, an object storage solution for storing large amounts of unstructured data like images, videos, and logs. It's highly scalable and accessible via HTTP HMS. And fourth one is Azure Disk Storage provides persistent high performance disk storage for Azure environment. It supports both HDD and SSD options depending on performance requirement. And let me discuss networking services. Azure Virtual Network enable VNets enable you to securely connect Azure resources to each other, to on-premise networks, or to the internet. They provide isolation, segmentation, and the ability to filter traffic using network security groups. And Azure Load Balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple instances of an application, ensuring high availability and reliability. And here are some database services like Azure SQL Database, a fully managed relational database services built on SQL Server. It offers high availability, scalability, and security with automatic backups and built-in intelligence for performance tuning. And the other one is Azure Cosmos DB, a globally distributed multi-modal database service that provides low latency access to data with horizontal scalability. It supports various data models including key value, document, graph, and column. And I would like to explain security and compliance, role-based access control (RBAC). So RBAC allows you to control who has access to Azure resources, and also two roles are assigned at different scopes or to enforce the principle of least privilege. Here are common roles: owner, full access to all resources including the ability to delegate access. Contributor can create and manage all types of resources but cannot grant access to others. Reader can view resources but cannot make changes. Azure Security Center. So what is Azure Security Center? Azure Security is a unified security management system that provides threat protection across all of your Azure services. It offers security recommendation, monitors compliance with security best practices, everything. So let me hold a 2 minutes break so that you can give just a recap what you have understood. Just a minute. So next is I would like to give Azure services. So we already explained about this, and next is Azure services. So let me discuss Azure services overview. So just Azure offers a lot of services. Telling well, we already discussed some of the services. So let me just explain it on a brief. So I would like to explain. First thing is that so one of the first feature or our services is that uh, okay, Microsoft Azure offers a comprehensive suite of cloud services that cater to a wide range of business and development needs. These services span various categories, including computing, storage, networking, databases, AI, IoT, and more. Below is an overview of some of the key Azure services across different categories. Compute services, Azure Virtual Machines. Azure Virtual Machines provide scalable, on-demand computing resources with the ability to run Windows or Linux operating systems. VMs are ideal for applications that require control over the underlying OS and infrastructure. Azure Apps are a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps and APIs. Azure App Service supports various programming languages and frameworks including .NET, Java, Node.js, and Python. Azure Kubernetes Service. AKS is a managed container orientation service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containers WM using Kubernetes. Azure Function, a serverless compute service that allows you to run code on demand without managing infrastructure. Azure Function is a deal ideal for event-driven workloads such as processing data streams or responding to HTTPS requests. Azure Batch, a service that enables large-scale parallel and high-performance computing applications efficiently in the cloud. Azure Batch manages the scheduling and execution of tasks. And the storage service, I already explained about Azure Blob Storage, Azure File Storage, Azure Disk Storage. And let me introduce Azure Queue Storage service, a messaging service that enables asynchronous communication between components of a distributed application. Azure Queue Storage is used to store and retrieve messages, ensuring that tasks are processed in a reliable and scalable manner. Uh, and coming to the networking service, we already discussed about Azure Virtual Network, Azure Load Balancer. So I would like to explain Azure Traffic Manager, a DNS-based traffic load balancer that allows you to distribute traffic across multiple Azure regions, improving application availability and performance. And the fourth one is Azure VPN Gateway, provides secure cross-premises connectivity between your on-premise network and Azure VNet using IPsec or IKE VPN tunnels. And fourth one is Azure Content Delivery Network. We already do it, reduces the latency of delivery of the content to the users. And the fourth, the database service, we already discussed about the Azure SQL databases, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure database for MySQL, PostgreSQL. These are all the uh, like structure and non-structured data and semi-structured databases that are used for this kind of data. And coming to the AI and machine learning services, Azure Machine Learning, a cloud-based platform for building, training and deploying machine learning models at a scale. Azure Machine Learning supports various machine learning frameworks including TensorFlow, PyTorch and Scikit-learn. And therefore Azure Cognitive Service, a collection of pre-built APIs that allow developer to add AI capability to their applications such as vision, speech, language, and decision making. Example include computer vision, text analytic, and speech to text. And the Azure Bot Services, a managed services for building and deploying chatbots that can interact with users through multiple challenges including web, mobile, and popular messaging platform. And the fifth one is Azure Cognitive Search, an AI powered search service that allows you to build rich service search experiences into your application. It includes features like full text search, face navigation, and cognitive skills integration. Uh, and the sixth one is Internet of Things services, Azure IoT Hub, a managed service that enables secure and reliable communication between IoT device and cloud. IoT Hub supports bidirectional communication, allowing you to send commands to devices and receive telemetry data. And the Azure IoT Central, a fully managed IoT SaaS solution that simplifies the process of connecting, monitoring, and managing IoT devices. IoT Central provides a user-friendly interface and pre-built templates for common IoT scenarios. And the Azure Sphere, an end-to-end solution for securing IoT device, including a microcontroller unit, an operating system, and a cloud-based security service. Azure Sphere helps protect devices from evolving threats. Azure Digital Twins, a service that enables the creation of digital replicas of physical environments, allowing you to model, monitor, and optimize IoT system. Azure Digital Twins can be used to build IoT solutions that analyze and predict the behavior of complex systems. The seventh one is Security Identity Service, Azure Active Directory. This is one of the key features, a cloud-based identity and access management service that provides single sign-in on multi-factor authentication and conditional access to secure our applications and data. Azure AD integrates with on-premises Active Directory and thousands of SaaS applications. Azure Key Vault, a service for securely storing and managing sensitive information such as encryption keys, certificates, and secrets. Azure Key Vault helps protect cryptographic keys and secrets in a highly secure environment. Azure Security Center, a unified security management system that provides threat protection across all your Azure resources. Security Center offers security recommendation, monitor compliance, and detects threat in a real time. Azure DDoS Protection, a service that protects your applications from distributed denial of service attacks by automatically detecting and mitigating these threats, ensuring high availability and reliability. And the eighth is DevOps services. Azure DevOps, a suite of DevOps tools that provides version control, project manage, continuous integration, CI/CD, and automated testing. Azure DevOps includes services like Azure REPS, Azure Pipelines, Azure Bots, and Azure Test Plans. And the Azure Pipelines, CID is service that allows you to build, test, and deploy application to any platform or cloud. Azure Pipeline supports various languages including .NET, Java, Node.js, and Python. Azure Monitor, a service that provides full stack monitoring for application infrastructure, enabling you to collect, analyze, and act on telemetry from Azure. So Microsoft Azure has wide range of services, making it a versatile platform for building, deploying, and managing applications in a cloud. Whether you are developing web application, analyzing a big data, deploying IoT solution, or securing your infrastructure, Azure provides the tools and services needed to achieve your goals. Understanding this core Azure services allows you to leverage the full potential of the cloud and drive innovation in your organization. Setting so let me explain demo setting up a virtual machines. So setting up on Azure is a straightforward process that allows you to quickly deploy a virtualized instance of an operating system cloud. In this demo I walk you through the steps to create a basic on using prerequest. So initially access the Azure portal and go on to again plan and create a resource group. Organize the related resource for the virtual machine to ensure efficient manager. And the third, launch a virtual machines. So based on the resource group and all the activities after creating, start the process of creating virtual machines. Configure the networking, to select the inbound and output roles and security groups, and give the deploy and access to the virtual machines. Understand the crucial steps in setting up a virtual machine on Azure, and finally deploy the virtual machine. And the next, Azure portal and tools. So I would like to just now explain the Azure portal and tools. So the Azure portal serves as a user-friendly interface for managing your cloud services. So Microsoft Azure provides a range of tools and interface to manage and interact with cloud resources. The Azure portal is the primary web-based interface, but there are also command line tools, APIs, and integrated development environments that enhance the management and automation of Azure resources. Here an overview of the key Azure tools and how they can be used. Azure portal. Azure portal is a web-based unified interface that allows you to manage and monitor all your Azure resources and services. It provides a graphical user interface for creating, configuring, and managing Azure resources. Here are some key features it has. That is a dashboard where you customize your dashboard that provide high level overview of your resources and their status, and resource management, easily creation and management of Azure like VMs, database, and networks, monitoring and alerts, view metrics, logs and set up alerts to monitor the health and everything, performance of your resource, cost management, track and manage your spending and budget for Azure services. This is organize and manage related resources together for better visibility and control. You can access the Azure portal via the link using Azure credentials and access Azure CLI command line interface. Azure CLI is a cross-platform command line tool that allows you to manage Azure resources from your terminal or command prompt. It provides a powerful to script and automate Azure tasks. Here are some key features available on Windows, Mac OS, Mac or Linux. Scripting and automation, write script to automate resource and run. Consistency, the commands are consistent across platform, making it is user to switch between different operating systems. Install and edition. Download install Azure from following website from Google. Basic command. After installing, you can use the AZ command to interact with Azure. For example, Azure VM create to create a virtual machine. Azure PowerShell. Azure PowerShell is a set of CMDLets for managing Azure directly from the PowerShell environment. It is particularly useful for users familiar with PowerShell scripting. It has some key features like automate task and manage Azure resources using PowerShell script. Integration, seamless integration with existing PowerShell workflows and script. Installation and install Azure PowerShell from Google. And basic command, use the connect AZ account similar to authenticate a new Azure to create a new account. Azure resource manage templates. What are ARM templates? ARM templates are Azure and files that define the configuration of Azure resources. They allow you to deploy and manage Azure using a declarative syntax. It's a declarative deployment, repeatable deployments. Usage, create an ARM template that describes your infrastructure and deploy it through Azure portal, Azure CLI or PowerShell. Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps is Azure development and services for planning, deploying, and delivering software. It includes features for source control, build automation, release management. Here are some key features. Azure Repos. Git repositories for source control. Azure Pipeline, CI/CD pipelines for automated builds and deployments. Azure Boards, Agile project management tool for tracking work and managing sprint. Azure Test Plan, tools for managing and executing test plans. Usage, access Azure DevOps through HTTP and integrate with your development and deployment workflow. Azure Resource Group. Azure, let me explain what is an Azure Resource Group. Azure Resource Group is a service that provides powerful querying capabilities for exploring and analyzing for Azure resource. Here are some key features. Advanced queries. Use custom query language to query and analyze scalability. Efficiently handle large-scale resources data across multiple subscriptions. And coming to the users, access Azure Resource Graph through the Azure portal or Azure using AZ Graph. And we have Azure Monitor, which is used for comprehensive knowledge solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry data from your Azure resource and application. Some key features like metrics and logs, alerts, application insights, usage. Azure Security Center provides an unified security management and advanced threat protection for your Azure resources, like security recommendation, threat detection, compliance, and usage. Azure Cost Management Algorithm. Azure helps you track, manage, and optimize your Azure spending. It provides tools for budgeting, cost analysis, and resource optimization. Key features are cost analysis, budgets, and so Microsoft Azure offers a rich set of tools and interfaces to manage cloud resources effectively. Whether you prefer using the Azure CLI or PowerShell or integrating with DevOps practices through Azure DevOps, Azure provides helpful, flexible options to suit your. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline resource management, automate process, and gain insights into your cloud environment. So, uh, so after this session, so let us we're gonna have a Q&A on server. Anyway, this is our opportunity to ask questions about anything related to Azure. Let collaboratively tackle concepts, services, and best practices. Engaging with question enhances understanding and clarity. Your inquiries can uncover deeper insights into Azure Kabbalah. Prepare to leave the session with a wealth of knowledge and confidence. So feel free to ask your questions. So I hope there are no questions. So thank you for joining us, and that wraps our session on Microsoft Azure today. I hope you found it informative and engaging. Whether you are new to Azure or looking to deepen your knowledge, remember that cloud offers endless possible to explore and learn. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments or connect with us through our social media channels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future live streams and content. Until next time, happy cloud computing. Take care. Bye for now.